How to stabilize your audio stream. When you are connected with your mobile to a StageWave session, you can optimize the stability of the audio. Open the drawer menu and select Performance. You will see a real-time chart showing the stability of the network and the performance of your device. In the middle, you have the detail of each one. It will be shown in green when it is good, in yellow when it is acceptable, and in red when it is bad. Modify the buffer size to improve stability or to reduce latency. Activate safe mode to prevent glitches in the signal. Try different settings. Each device is different. The number of timeouts and underflows per second results in glitches in the audio stream. Try to reduce both. If your device is high-end, try a small buffer in X4 safe mode for more stability and reduced latency at the same time. And that's all. Contact us if you have any questions.